Hey family, it's Buffy. It's Sunday and there's a plane going over right as I'm trying to record. Beautiful. Let that go. I don't live that far from the airport, so I hear that every once in a while. But it's Sunday, June 16th. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. And I decided to do a little grilling. I'm going to be grilling some steaks, some more of the little slider burgers, and some hot dogs, and some smoked sausage. Gonna have a little meat fest. I'm on vacation this week, so I'm trying not to leave the house that much. It's a staycation. And I just want to enjoy myself and spend time with the family. And when I get hungry, I just go to the fridge and heat something up. So come along with me. First up are the steaks. Okay, family. Got some steaks on here. They've been going for 6 minutes. This is what they look like. Steam out of the way so you guys can see. Not ready to turn them over, just wanted you to see what they look like. And I'll tell you how I prepared the steaks. I got them from a local farmer, and they use regenerative farming. You know, whatever they take away from the environment, they try to put back. So it's the first time I've used their meat. I'm anxious to see how it's going to taste. But as far as preparing the meat, I washed it thoroughly well, and I was glad to know that when I started washing it, it wasn't slimy. You know, sometimes you get fresh meat, especially chicken, is really slimy when you wash it. Gross. This was not. Then I took a Ziploc bag, put all the meat in there, all 6 steaks in there. Well, I trimmed the fat off too before I cleaned it. Then put all 6 steaks in the Ziploc baggie, poured some Heinz Worcestershire sauce in there. That's all I did. No other seasoning, no salt, no pepper, nothing else. And I marinated it overnight. And I had the bag sealed in a plastic bowl in a refrigerator. Every few hours, I would flip the bag over. You know, it was laying on this side, then I would flip it to this side, and then back and forth every few hours. That's to make sure that the sauce, the Worcestershire sauce, is getting all through the meat. This morning when I got up to grill the meat, I took it out, dried it off, and let it sit out about 20 minutes. And during that time, I prepped the grill. By the time the grill was prepped, you know, it had preheated, ignited, and all that good stuff. When I say ignited the smoke. It was time to grill. So that's where we are now. Let's go back over, and I'm going to flip them. They've been going 7.5 minutes because I set a timer for an hour, for 8.5 minutes actually. It will not take long for these to cook. Last time I made steaks, that was Memorial Day. It only took about 15 minutes, and we eat our steaks well done. So 15 minutes to get to the well done state. Okay. And now we'll close it up and let it keep going. Okay, steaks are done. I did use a thermometer to test them all. They're done. Now I have the hot dogs and smoked sausage on there going. And I have 36.5 minutes left. My hamburgers will take 15 minutes, so surely these right here won't take 20. I'll be back. Here's the sausage and hot dogs. They're done. And we just have the sliders, just wings. I have 29 minutes left for my hour setting. So we're gonna make it. Okay, I've turned the sliders over. And we now have a little over 23.5 minutes. It's looking good. I think I'll be done in 5 minutes or less. And here's the sliders, all done. I turned the grill off. I forgot to check how much time I had left, but it was at least over 20 minutes. So I made 6 steaks, 6 hot dogs, 2 smoked sausage links. I just cut them in half. And then I have 9 sliders in about 40 minutes. Not bad. Thanks to the Ninja Woodfire Grill. Thanks for watching, family. I'll see you in the next video. If you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a nice comment. Let me know if you're grilling for Father's Day. And if so, what are you grilling? And again, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Till the next video, bye for now.